Hello and welcome to Cooking Adventures with Karen, where I will showcase some of my favorite foods, share some recipes along the way, and just show my love of cooking. Today I'm going to be making fried potatoes with eggs that are farm fresh from my father-in-law, local chunked bacon from Geneva meat markets, and making myself a wonderful lunch. I'm going to get started and prep some of my ingredients. Today I'm using red potatoes, cut into about 1/2-inch slices or cubes, chunk bacon, farm fresh eggs, and some white onions. Oh, and of course butter. Can't forget butter. Butter makes the best fried potatoes. I like my onions in about 1/4-inch pieces. I start by heating up about a tablespoon of butter in my 12-inch fry pan. I love cooking potatoes in this pan. It has a lot of space. I'm going to get started by cooking my chunk bacon in my fry pan. It should take 5 to 8 minutes or so until it's nice and crispy. It's been about 8 minutes. Bacon is almost done. Looks delicious. Smells amazing. I left a little bit of bacon fat in the pan, and then I'm going to add about 1/2 tablespoon of salted butter to it so I can start cooking my onions. Turn the heat back on to medium. Add your sliced onions. I like to season every stage of my recipe, so I'm going to add a little salt. I like to use kosher salt and a little pepper. I like to saute my onions for about 3 to 4 minutes until they are a little bit caramelized, as that's the best way to have onions in my opinion. Onions are done. I will set these aside while I cook my potatoes. I'm going to add some more butter to my fry pan, this time about 1 to 2 tablespoons. The more the merrier. And turn my heat back up to medium high. I'm going to add my potatoes and fry these until they are nice and crispy. Again, I like to season each stage of the recipe, and I salt them with kosher salt, black pepper, and one of my other favorite seasonings is dill weed. I like it on eggs. I love it on fried potatoes. It can take 10 to 15 minutes to fry these potatoes. The best thing to do is just leave them alone and let them cook. After about 8 minutes or so, then I flip the potatoes over to make sure that they get cooked on the other side and throughout. And I'll probably cook with these for another 5 minutes or so. I'm going to crack 2 of these farm fresh eggs. And put them into my hot saucepan. This one's got a really thick membrane on it. Salt, a little pepper, it's finally time to eat. I left my eggs nice and over easy so that they make a delicious coating for my fried potatoes. Thank you for subscribing as I learn how to take better videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great day.